Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Badoo account. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, go to your browser and go to badoo.com, badoo.com. Once you're in your Badoo account, click on your profile picture, which is at the top right corner on your desktop. Go to it and then click on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner, aka setting as well. Click on it and then scroll down until you see delete account. As you guys can see, delete account, which is at the bottom right beside sign out. Click on delete account. Now over here, click on delete your account. Choose delete your account because we want to delete our account. So after choosing on delete your account, click on continue and choose whichever setting you want. I'm just going to choose I'm no longer single dating. So click on continue and then click on I spent too much time on Badoo. Now over here, enter your account's password, and after entering your account's password, you enter the word which is shown over here. It is just to verify that you're a human, and after entering it over here, you can click on delete my account and your account will be deleted. So that's basically how you delete a Badoo account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.